What defines a community? Today, we explore the intricate dynamics that shape various populations and their interactions within specific areas. First, let's define community. A community is not just a place, but a network of relationships and shared values. Consider the urban community of New York City, a melting pot of cultures, each contributing to the city's vibrant life. In contrast, rural communities like those in Iowa focus on agricultural ties and shared local traditions. Each community faces unique challenges. Urban areas might struggle with overcrowding, while rural areas face issues of accessibility. Solutions emerge through community action. Urban gardens in cities and cooperative markets in rural areas illustrate adaptation. Moving to suburban communities, we see a blend of urban convenience and rural tranquility, offering a balanced lifestyle. Educational systems within these communities also vary, reflecting the needs and resources of the population. Community events serve as a mirror, reflecting the cultural richness and collective spirit of the population. Technology also plays a crucial role, bridging gaps between different community segments, enhancing communication and understanding. As populations grow, so do the challenges. But with growth comes the opportunity for innovation and improved community interaction. Let's not forget the role of local governments in shaping community policies that respond to the citizens' needs. In conclusion, communities are dynamic entities, constantly evolving as they respond to internal and external pressures. Understanding these dynamics helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of our social fabrics. Join us as we continue to explore and learn about the power of community in shaping our world.